Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Armand and it's 20th of October and I want to make a round in Calador to see how it's looking in the night now the end of the season, how in 6 days we are closing. Most of the bars and the restaurant they are closing because there are not too many hotels open. I want to go to make a round to see how it's looking. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know, when I'm posting a new video. Let's go around and let's see how it's looking in the night. Okay guys, here you have the kebab shop. If you want to eat something, this is open till 12. Here is the center. And on this side, you have the taxi. How is the end of the season? It's 20th of October. Let's make a round to see what bars they are open. Here is the taxi, how I say. And let's go in the center. Fast to make a round. I don't know what is open because on 26 all of them they are closing down, they are shutting down. Let's make a round. I see Aloha still is open. Some bars, some restaurants till they are open. Here is the center. I'll make a complete round to see what is around. Over there is Buddha. It's a club, a nightclub. Here is a restaurant, Casa de la Flores. Still there are a lot of people in. It's 8:20. There is Aloha. It's a nice bar with cocktails. They have also DJ in the night. I don't know what time they're closing. I think 2, 3. It's quite nice. And here is Buddha. Let's go a little bit closer. Okay guys, Buddha is opening a little bit late. Why? Because all the bars, pubs and Sparkle is a club in the other side of the port. They are closing around about 3, 2, something like that. And everybody from all these pubs and everybody around is coming in Buddha because Buddha is opening till late in the morning, maybe 4 or 5. I'm not sure, I don't remember the program. Here you have also another restaurant bar kind of, they have good food. There is Madison and the DJ start the music over there. For this I put a voice over because it's really noisy, and like this we are sure the video is quite alright and we don't have problem with the videos after. Okay, let's go around. Madison today is closed, probably everybody's off and they're partying somewhere. Here you have a nice shop for the food. Is Siciliano, is Italian kind of restaurant, a small one. Here you have another bar. It's quite nice too. Mini golf still is open, wow. And it costs 12 euro per person. They are closing at 10. Okay, let's go forward. Here is Lola. I was here for I think 2 parties this year or 3. Not staying too long this year. Actually, I was super quiet with the parties. They have also inside, but everybody staying outside in the terrace. There is also the DJ. And I like how they have painted the walls here. Super cool. Like original, I don't see nowhere painting like this. Look at that. Next to Lola is Dugan's. They have every night a band singing. But tonight, how there are not too many people closing the end of the season. Here you have another kebab and there is another club, Time Out. There was Club Tiempo last year, but they took the name from before, the old name. Let's go a little bit around guys to see how the restaurants they are looking. Actually, it's a lot of movement for this time of the year. I think will be a little bit busier in 1 week because I remember it's a holiday in England. Here we have different. It's a nice restaurant. I don't know why the hotels they are closing with 1 week before, because how is coming holiday in England supposed to be a lot of people. But yeah, anyway, we finished the season earlier and I think everybody is happy. This year we start late, we finish early. It's a strange year. Okay, and what I see this year, a lot of restaurants they start to bring like live entertainment, like singers or maybe uh, different kind of stuff. I know also some restaurants they bring also magic shows between the tables. Is a guy doing some magic tricks. This year people try to do something different. Let's go to the Indian restaurant to see how it's looking. Fusion is the name. Is amazing food there, guys. If you like to try Indian food, try Fusion. I recommend you. And come here and leave me a comment if you like it. And look at this bar, guys. I don't see nowhere so many decorations. I don't know, the name is Tiki Tiki or something like that. No, Calypso, I remember. I like that two parrots there. Sometimes they are talking. You pass on the street and they are like, hola, hola. And here is Fusion, the Indian restaurant. It's quite a lot of people. Okay, still there are tables empty. It's end of the season, it's normal. And it's another interesting bar. Atlantis is the name. It's something different, like than the others. Not two tables outside. They have nice decoration, nice vibe. Let's go to see how it's looking. And also is a similar bar like Calypso. This one here on the left. This I think is Tiki Tiki or something like that. If some people they are going there, when they go back, if you meet them on the street, they was in that place because they give some decoration to take them with them at home. They put it by the neck, some guirlandas, colorful one. Bar Atlantis. I love this place also. They have different thematic. Is something different in Calador. I hope they open more of these bars with thematics because they are cool. We need this kind of places in Calador. Let's go also to La Papa, the Italian restaurant, to see because usually is a queue. Let's see how it's looking tonight. And next to La Papa is another Italian restaurant where I'm going all the time to eat pasta carbonara. Is the pasta there another level. Let's see. Here you have La Bodega on the left side. It's quite empty tonight. They have nice tapas, guys. Best tapas from Calador. If you want some meat, a steak, you can try Macau. It's quite nice too. I ate, I think, 2 days ago. The food was amazing. La Papa, I don't try yet. I don't know what to say about. Every day was a queue when I was passing from here. Was from here till in the corner. People was waiting. Here you have burgers. Burger House. The burgers, they are amazing. If you take with sweet potatoes, lovely. Let's see. Also there on the right side you have the Mexican restaurant we talk about after. Let's see what is the name of the other restaurant because I don't remember. Trattoria or something like this. It's really small. Here, exactly in the corner with La Papa. Hidden. Don't make too much publicity, but they have a lot of clients. Yes. Trattoria. I recommend you if you come to Calador, try the food there and come here in the comment and tell me if you like the food. Or if you was there, let it a comment and tell us what did you try and if you like it. Here is Patron or something. Tacos Patron. I tried the burgers. I was enjoying. Some people they told me no, it's not, the food is not so wow. Always I recommend the places where I eat before. If I don't try the food before, I can't say oh it's amazing. Taste of Texas. What I know about this, some people told me the meat is amazing. I don't try, I don't know, Maybe next year I will try to see how it is, and I will let you know. The Pirates also I don't try here, maybe next year. But what I see on this restaurant, every year they extend, they get bigger and bigger. That means food is amazing, is working well. I'm happy for them. If you don't want to eat in any restaurant and you are hungry and you want to eat something quick, guess what? You have Burger King, the end of the street. Right there, right there is Burger King. Is open till late. How I show you, you have two kebab shops. The one next to Dougal's is closing late, like super late. Here is Burger King. You need to check on Google like this, you know exactly when they are closing. And we arrive back to Aloha. Tonight still there are people. Guys, if you, I think here we are closing. We arrive back from where we live. It's looking quite nice. Okay guys, this was the vlog of today, of tonight actually. How is looking Calador like this is now. Not too many people, but still is moving. It's 20th of October. In 6 days everything will be shutting down. Still they are moving around. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this. You know when I'm posting a new video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.